Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
All right, we're going to go ahead and make one more bracelet, and we're going to go ahead and use this bead with the wire spacers, and then we're going to use some smaller beads, maybe a couple of these bone beads. Put a couple of these on here, and then see how that looks. Use a couple more of the bigger beads. These are 20 millimeter. And that is really pretty. And I really like wire spacers. They just add a really nice richness to anything that I make. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and add, let's see what these little beads will look like. If they don't look like something, guess what? We will definitely take them off. So that's what that looks like. Really pretty so far. And then we are going to use another one of our bigger beads. And then we're going to go ahead and use one of the smaller beads to space it. And then we'll use another 20 millimeter bead. Use another one of our little 10 millimeter spacers. And then that's what that looks like so far. And then we're going to go ahead and finish threading. So we got that one. Then we're going to put this one. Use another little bead. Another one of our 20 millimeters. And then this is what it looks like so far. How pretty is that? Gorgeous, right? And then we will put another little small bead on this side. Go ahead and grab another 20 millimeter. Let's see, I think we'll put our last 20 millimeter on this side. And then let's see. We might have to take one of them off, but we shall see. Yeah, we probably will. How pretty is that? No, I think I'm going to leave that on. So we'll go ahead and tie it down. Pull it nice and snug, not too tight, because you pull it too tight, the cord can actually break. So I'm going to just tie it a couple of times because the hole on the bead is not as big as it is on the 25 millimeter bead. It's a big hole, but it's not a huge hole. So it's not like we can tie a huge knot and expect the knot to fit into the hole. So it is going to go in this one like that. So we got that in. How pretty is that? Right? How pretty. How pretty. Don't do that to me. How pretty. 3 beautiful bracelets. That is a poppin' wrist. It is a wrist that is talking back so tough. It is saying, you know nothing about me, so don't even act like you do. Okay? You knows nothing about me. I'm going to a funeral on Saturday, and I'm definitely going to be wearing all 3 of these. I'm going to do my nails because they look real bad, and I'm definitely going to be wearing all 3 of these. Only because the wrist says, you know nothing about me. Don't even assume that you do. You knows nothing about me. Okay? Gorgeous. And they fit very comfortably. They feel nice and just comfortable, not thick, no itching, no anything. Yeah, these look, and they look rich. They look very rich. Ooh, I like these. Nice, right? You guys let me know what you think. Darlene Knight for Jerry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.